Hi everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'll show you how to share folders in Dropbox in 2025 so you can easily collaborate with others. First, log into your Dropbox account on your computer. Go to the folder you want to share and hover your mouse over it. On the right-hand side, click the Share button. A sharing window will pop up. Here you have two main options. Invite specific people. Type in the email addresses of the people you want to share the folder with. Then choose their permission level. Either can edit if you want them to add or change files, or can view. If you only want them to see the contents, finally click Share Folder. Create a link if you'd rather send a link. Click Copy Link. Paste this into an email, message, or chat. Anyone with the link will be able to access the folder depending on the permissions you set. If you want more control, click Link Settings. From here you can add a password, set an expiration date for the link, or restrict access to specific people. Once you're done, hit Done, and your folder will be shared right away, and that's it. That's how you share folders in Dropbox. In 2025, a simple way to collaborate and keep everyone on the same page. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more Dropbox tips.